Hello, Prospervarians. The best school has come to stay in the city of Calabar. It is called Beryl International School. Take advantage of this opportunity now.
Tell me the best school, Beryl is the best. Tell me the best school.
Hello, wonderful parents and my lovely pupils. We are here again, and I'll be taking the grade 1 pupils on the subject basic science. And our topic for today will be on types of colors. Types of colors. Everybody say types of colors. Types of colors. Beautiful. Now, I want to do a quick reminder. Last week, we looked at colors, the meaning of colors. We also looked at the examples of colors, and I gave us beautiful examples using objects around us with the different colors that they have. And then we went ahead to look at the uses of colors. What do we use colors for? Okay, nice friends. Today we have to be quick, okay, because we have some practicals that we are going to carry out in today's class. Today we're going to be looking at types of colors. Like I told us last week, that is going to be our topic for this week. So I want you all to sit down and pay great attention. Please, no pinching yourselves. Please, pay attention. Eyes on me. Now, we have two types of colors. Two types of colors. Remember, types of colors are different from examples of colors. I told you that last week. Now, types of colors. We have the primary and secondary colors. Yes, I know someone is trying to ask me, Harry Jones is opening his eyes wide. Oh, Miss Julie, only two? Yes. For your level, we have two types of colors. But I bring the third one, so people will start sleeping on their books. So I don't even want to bring it in. Let's just stick to the two types of colors that we have. And like we have on the board, we have the primary colors, and then we have the secondary colors. A nice friend like Roland will ask me, Miss Julie, what are primary colors? Beautiful. I will answer. Primary colors are obtained by not mixing any other color. And we have three types of primary colors. Primary colors are three, okay? They are three. And we have red, yellow, and color blue. Okay? We have the color red, color yellow, and then color blue. Yes, I had to go and get them for us. Now, nice friends, I want you to take a good look at these three colors that I'm holding on my palm. Okay? These are the three primary colors that we have. This is color blue. Okay, blue. Yes. The next one that we have is color red. Yes, color red. Have you seen it? Beautiful. Next we have the color yellow. Yellow. So these three are the primary colors. Now we will move over to the secondary colors. Yes. A nice friend is wondering, Miss Julie, secondary, is it like secondary school? Now secondary colors are gotten by mixing two of the primary colors. Example, we have blue plus red will give us a secondary color, purple. Purple, some people call it violet. Okay? Blue plus red will give us what? Purple. Alright? Now, the next secondary color that we can get when we add two primary colors are blue plus yellow will give us the color green. Yes. I know a nice friend is saying yes. I know. Green, white, green. Yes. Blue plus yellow will give us the color green. Then we have red plus yellow will give us the color orange. Are you following? Well, I went a step further to bring it up for us, okay, to make the experiment and show us how they are gotten. Now, what I have here in my hand is a mixture of two primary colors, okay, and our result here is the secondary color. You can see we have blue plus yellow on the board. Blue plus yellow will give us green. Now, look at this very closely. Blue plus yellow will give us green, okay? Next, we go over to red. Red plus yellow. Look at it very well. Red plus yellow will give us the color orange. Beautiful. Thank you very much, Chris. That was very brilliant of you. Next, we have the last but not the least. Blue plus red. Blue plus red will give us what? Yes, a nice friend should tell me. Purple, Chibwike, that's nice. Blue plus red will give you purple. Red plus yellow will give you orange. While blue plus yellow will give us green. I hope we are following. Are we following? Okay. Now we are going to be going over to sources of color. How do we get this color? Okay. Now, colors are obtained from natural sources. Okay, they are gotten from natural sources. Number one, we have sources, okay, of color. Number one, we have rocks, okay, and number two, we have trees, okay. So these are the two sources of colors. They are the true sources of colors. When I talk about trees, I'm referring to plants, okay. I'm referring to what? Plants. I'm referring to plants, or better still, we could say rocks and plants. Rocks and plants. So a nice friend will not get confused. A nice friend won't get confused. Nice friends, I hope you're following. Two sources of colors, okay? Colors there, I'm not talking about primary or secondary. Remember our last class, we talked about examples of colors, okay? So that's what I'm referring to, alright? So a nice friend will not write, Music Praise taught me that, please, don't quote me, Thank you very much. Just stick to what I'm giving you. Well, let's go over to what we have done. We looked at types of colors today, and we were taught, okay, by Miss JP that we have two types of colors, namely the primary colors and the secondary colors. And I said that the primary colors are three: red, blue, and yellow. And I showed us, okay, using our poster colors, the three primary colors. And I went ahead to tell us that those secondary colors are gotten from a mixture of the primary colors. We saw that blue mixed with red will give us the color purple or violet, okay? Next, we saw blue plus yellow, and blue plus yellow gave us the color green. Next, we looked at red plus yellow, and our result was orange. And the last but not the least, we went ahead to look at the sources of color. Number one, we have rocks, and number two, we have plants. Now, what I want to do for me is to get your pen and your pencils, as we are going to be copying a very teeny weeny notes. We are going to go over the notes, and then I'm going to read out our homework, which I want you to do and submit. Types of colors. We have two types of colors. Number one, primary color, and number two, secondary color. Number one, primary colors. Primary colors are obtained by not mixing any colors. They are red, blue, and yellow. Secondary colors are gotten by a mixture of two primary colors. They are orange, purple, and violet, and then we're supposed to have green. Yes, thank you, nice friend. Oh, thank you very much. We have green, okay, and then we have our full stop. Thank you very much. I'm grateful. The mixture of these primary colors give us a secondary color. Red plus yellow gives us orange. Yellow plus blue gives us